This wall is set, all the floor tile set. We just gotta clean it up. Start grouting. We're actually using some Latticrete primer color select, and the color that the client chose is light pewter. I believe the number is 90. Got a nice border over here, nice and flush with the hardwood. Gonna do a soft joint over here. That's a 1/8 gap. Come down this way into the closet. Follow the pattern in the closet as well. Didn't chop it up in here. Same exact pattern. Did a board over here, another board over here. 1/8 joint to the hardwood, and hit that with soft joint with silicone. So all we gotta do is clean this up, wipe everything down, and start grouting.